Yo, what's going on, gadget grabbers? So, I want to ask you guys a quick question. Which phone is this? Got it right. You're doing pretty good with the identification. You guys got the mind sharp. This is an iPhone XR. I was able to actually grab this for $70 by the way of OfferUp. Shout out to you guys on OfferUp. People are waiting to sell their devices on OfferUp, and nobody's pulling up with offers. So I pulled up. I offered $50. Is bad IMEI. I know it's way too low. The person was like, "Can you do 70 at least?" Of course, I can do 70. Where do you want to meet? I see that this phone is actually being resold right now at $160 for parts. I could use these parts because I do fix cell phones, but it's better for me at this very point in time to sell the phone as it is because that's what I need to do with this. So I'm explaining this because I'm illustrating to you guys that grabbing gadgets is a perfect way to invest your short amount of money. If you only have maybe 20, 30, $50, it's a great way to get started investing your money into duplicating it because the same way I bought this for $70, I'm going to actually make a return of at least $80, or let's say another $75, so 100% of profit from my investment. So what I'm going to do with that extra $80 is I'm not going to go buy a pair of shoes with it. I'm not going to go and buy a video game that's cost $50 with it. I'm actually going to go buy another computer because my money continues to duplicate. My money continues to duplicate. My money continues to duplicate. This is a great way to use your extra money at the end of your tax, not your tax, at the end of your paycheck. After you pay all your bills, after all your bills are paid, this is a great way to utilize the extra $200 sitting in your bank account. Although you really want to take your girlfriend out to eat, you guys can go out to eat and then use that extra $150 to buy an iPhone or to buy something that you can reinvest your money into. So then when you resell it, your money is increasing because you make your money when you spend your money. If not, um, I mean, I don't know what else you can do. But anyway, you have to invest into something. Whether you invest the money into items that you can resell or you invest the money into yourself where you can perform better at a higher level or a higher caliber, and that will actually have you earning more money in the same way. So it's all about how you use your seed, which is the money. And one of my mentors always tells me, he restates this in so many different ways, but he says, in a nutshell, your seed does better in the soil. And it's such a profound statement because it just says everything. Like, if money is seed, why are we eating all of the seeds? There's a saying that goes, a spiritual minded man sees an apple, eats an apple, and envisions a million apple trees. A what word did they use? They think they said a physical minded man. A physical minded man eats the apple because it tastes good and throws out the core. Okay. So you have to understand what the seed is. You have to really understand that and understand that everywhere that you place your attention, everywhere that you place your energy, that's exactly where your energy is going to come back from. So if you're placing your energy into developing yourself, you are going to find rewards. You are going to find upgrades. You are going to find achievements and acknowledgments within yourself that communicate your growth. And if you invest it into business and you work according to your business, and you respect the funds and you respect the business, it's only right by nature that the business is going to reflect what you've given out. So, all that to say, go grab gadgets, okay? And your seed does better in the soil. So, with that being said, y'all, I'm going to talk to you guys in the next video. This is your King David, and today's definitely a great day to go grab gadgets. So, I'll see you later. Peace.